back with another Python code review challenge. Let's go ahead and get straight into it. I'll leave the link in the description in case you guys want to check it out. Here is the problem statement. It says this code aims to swap the keys and values in the dictionary, but it doesn't work as expected. Identify and fix the error. So as you see, they are providing us with a function here that we have to correct. The function takes in the parameter of a dictionary, and they are here trying to create a new dictionary with the keys and values swapped. And down here they're just returning a dictionary. So first things first, let's go ahead and run the code and see what the results are before we fix those errors. So down in the terminal, I'm just going to do that. And this is challenge 3. And we are getting an error. It says cannot unpack non-iterable int object. Okay, so they don't like the line where we are trying to swap those keys in the new dictionary. Go ahead and pause the video here and see if you can figure out where that error is coming from. What I'm going to do on my end is I'm actually going to do a little research because I have never swapped the keys and values this way. So I'm going to look up exactly what they're doing here. Alright guys, I am back and I did find an article that helped me out. It's pretty much the same syntax as they use, but you can swap keys and values with comprehension using items. So that is what they're missing here. Article I found is note.nkmk.me. I can link this down in the description in case you guys want to look at this. But let's go ahead and add that change here. And it looks like that should fix the issue. So I'm gonna just put items here at the end. Not items, not items. And let's run this code again and see if that fixes the issue. This is challenge 3.py. And yeah, so that's the only thing they were missing was the items at the end. Let me know if you found a different way to fix this. And yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.